Okay, welcome back. We are moving on slightly today and we're looking at negative indices. Last lesson we looked at fractional indices, which we will need for next lesson, so make sure we're up to date on that. But today I want to move on to negatives. And negatives are actually quite simple, so long as you pay attention. Okay, so if we have a negative power, okay, it means we're going to have to reciprocate. So negative power means you're going to, at some point you're going to have to reciprocate. Okay, so when we reciprocate something, what do? Okay, we do the inverse of it. Okay, so we flip it effectively. Okay, the technical term is inverse, but we're going to flip it. So 5 to the power of minus 1 would be 1 over 5. Okay, 5 is the same as 5 over 1. So if we're reciprocating this, we're flipping it. Okay. If we look at the next one's slightly more challenging. Okay, so what we're going to do is the first thing we're going to do is we're going to reciprocate it. So 3 is the same as 3 over 1. So we're going to flip that. So we get 1 over 3, we're going to put that in brackets, cubed. Okay, now cubed is something times something times something. Okay, the same number times by itself 3 times. Okay, so what we've got is we've got 1 over 3 times by 1 over 3 times by 1 over 3. Okay, then what we need to do is we're going to multiply fractions. So what we're going to do, 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. 3 times 3 is 9, not 6. Don't make that mistake. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So our answer there is 27. So that way, okay, we are reciprocating and then using the power. What you also can do, okay, is do the power and then reciprocate. Okay, I don't mind which way you do. I'll show you it on this one. So we've got 2 to the power of minus 4. So 2 to the power of 4 is 2 times by 2 times by 2 times by 2, which is 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. Okay, so what we've got is 16 to the minus 1, because we haven't reciprocated it yet. We haven't done anything with this minus sign. So it would be 1 over 16. Okay. Personally, I prefer that method. Okay. However, it doesn't matter which way you do it. Okay. Then the last one then is slightly different. Why is it slightly different? Okay. In this one, we're starting with the fraction first, and then we're going to reciprocate it. Okay. I'm going to do this method. Okay. So what we've got, that minus sign means reciprocate. So we've got 1 over 6, okay, reciprocated would be 6, and we've got 6 squared. 6 squared is 36. So 1/6 to the power of minus 2 is 36. Okay. The thing you need to take out of this is that the minus sign means you're going to have to reciprocate it. Okay. Once you've got that, it's stuff that you've been doing for the past couple of years. Okay. I'm going to give you a worksheet to go with this. If you've got any issues, let me know. Otherwise, have a good day, guys, okay?